Okay, guys. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Raspberry Pi Zero W model. No sound on board unless you're using HDMI, and I was just kind of trying to think of a quick way to whip up some sound out of this thing. Let's see, I'll grab the actual dealio real quick and show you what I'm talking about here. Okay, so Raspberry Pi Zero. You can tie into these two pins up here on the bottom for TV, for analog out, like a typical yellow cord that looks like this. But no sound if you're using that kind of a video, unless you're using the HDMI mini adapter and run an HDMI cord to a smart TV. So I've seen that Adafruit has come out with their own board, and there's a few other ways you can do it, but I'm just going to show you a real simple, easy way that I did this. So I'll grab this Bluetooth module, and I'll leave the links in the description if you're trying to find one. Just about anyone's going to work. It doesn't have to be a specific board, but you've got three connections right here. You got left channel, right channel, and ground. And then you've got batteries in. You've got positive and negative for a battery if you need a battery or use a battery. You can use a regular standard Android cord and box. You can also use headphones or some kind of aux cable adapters. But we're just going to go ahead and just use the regular lines. I'm just going to show you how to do that real quick. Save me a headache. Okay, so I won't use that. We'll just go to the junk bin here. See if we can find some. Let's see, there's an end. Well, that one's kind of short, but I guess it really doesn't matter. Okay. General same length here. Should have brought my wire strippers. Okay. Let's get the gold separated. 9 times out of 10, the wire that's not cased, if yours is like this, it's usually ground. It's not always that way, but most of the time. Let's go ahead and quickly wrap those together. Let me twist both grounds together for right and left channel. For some reason, using my teeth still works great with these little wires as strippers. I'm sure I'll pay the price later, but whatever. Okay, let's grab some solder. Got the iron all warmed up here. Let's go ahead and give it a quick coat on the end. It's going to make it a little easier trying to connect it. Need to get a fume extractor. It's on my buy list at some point. I'll just make one. We'll just clip off the raggedy little ends here. And voila. Okay, make this easy. Go ahead and grab the little stand. Which, if you do this kind of stuff, I advise getting one. They come in handy. The little alligator clip helper hands thing, or even better, really. This has worked great, though. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pre-tin these little blobbies. The pads here. That's a little much on that one. But whatever. Okay. And let's grab the this one in here. Oh, come on. Drank too much coffee today. Just bend that over. Come on. Okay, there we go. Definitely not the most professional job I've ever done, but just on the quick fly here. Release that. Pull this dude out, and it's ready to go. That's all you need to do. Plug your Android charger in or a battery source. Plug these two into the left and right channel audio inputs of a TV, and you just sync your Raspberry Pi Zero W. Just connect your Bluetooth to this guy, and then you've got sound out. You have to make sure you configure it in the settings. I might do a walkthrough later, but this is just a quick fix of my wall of random doodads up here, and it was just something in the here and now to give me sound out without using HDMI. I've watched Tinkernut's video. His was awesome. And like I said, Adafruit's got a soundboard out. You can find them all over the place, but this was just a quick fix for now. Right on. Hope you enjoy.